Hey, it's Morgan with WTI. I love this pack of pillow covers by MIULEE. They are beautiful, they are soft, they are so easy to throw on to your favorite pillow inserts, and they just look gorgeous in my home. I absolutely love this corduroy material. It is beautiful. I really like this pattern on the front as well. It just adds a little something to my home, and I think it's just so cute, so fun. I love sage green, and these are that perfect sage green color that looks so good with the other greens in my home. I just think that these are so awesome. It comes in a set of two. These are the 18 by 18 size, and I just think they look so great in my home. They're also reversible, which I think is really cool. You have a pattern on one side and then just a plain stripe on the back. And I think that is really nice too because you can just switch it up, and these are just so great. The zipper feels like really good quality. I was very happy with them. I can tell that these are definitely going to last a long time. And I like using them in different areas in my home. You can have so much fun playing around to see where they look the best. And again, having both sides to choose from is so nice. I love that a lot. The texture is great. The material is great. They are so beautiful. I love them a lot. I think they look awesome. And that's my point of view.